Are you planning to claim HRA and home loan in your ITR this year? Wait, that combo could actually raise a red flag at income tax department if done wrong. I'm serious. Thousands of salaried people do this every year and end up with income tax notices. But you won't because you're watching Neethu on Stage. Hey, I'm Neethu Kumar, a finance lover, your on stager, and someone who has been decoding finances with no jargons. If you're filing your income tax return for financial year 24-25 and confused between HRA, house rent allowance, home loan interest, and which regime to choose, old versus new regime and having a home loan, I got you. Let us break it all down with real numbers and smart tips. So, what is allowed and what is not allowed? Many assume I'm paying home loan EMIs and staying in rented house, so I will claim both. But it's not that simple. Here is what you need to remember. You can claim both house rent allowance and home loan benefits, but only if the house you bought is in a different city or is under construction and you are staying elsewhere for work. If your aunt's house is in the same city and not let out, then claiming house rent allowance gets tricky. The income tax department will question, why are you not staying in your own house? So always keep proper rent receipts, rental agreements, and a valid reason if you claim both. Now let's move on to the regime confusion. Now let's talk about the regimes. In the old regime, you can claim up to rupees 22 lakhs under section 24B home loan interest, then principal under section 80C and a house rent allowance exemption. But in new tax regime, most deductions are gone. Yes, even the home loan interest. So if you are blindly choosing the new regime just for lower slab rates, you might be losing out. So what to be done? Let me give you a real life example. Let's call her Meera. She earns a salary of 12 lakhs annually and she pays 15,000 per month as a rent and 20,000 per month as a home loan EMI for a house in another city. In old regime, she saved rupees 68,000 in taxes by claiming both HRA and 24B, that is the housing loan interest. But in new regime, her refund dropped to 8,000. That's a 60,000 difference just for picking the wrong regime. And so what's the key mistakes we need to avoid? Don't just copy paste last year's details. Do not forget to verify Form 26 AIS plus TIS. Don't claim HRA without a living proof. Don't assume your loan is automatically considered. File it properly. So let's have a checklist for home loan. Compare old versus new regime. Income tax website has a free tool. Cross-check your employer Form 16 with 26 AS and AIS. Declare rent with proper PAN of landlord if required. Attach loan certificate from your bank. If confused, consult a tax expert or use a verified tax filing platform. Remember, your ITR is not just a form. It's a reflection of how well you know your money. File smart, not so fast. Drop a tick in the comments if you find this helpful and subscribe to NeethuOnStage for finance gems and share this video with your work buddy who's confused about home loan versus house rent allowance. Stay tuned. Tax does not have to be taxing when we are in this together. See you on next video. Happy filing. Bye-bye.